Hello, guys, and how are you guys doing? Welcome back to another breakdown. Today, guys, I will be explaining the entries we just made recently, and also I will be making an explanation on what just happened on Euro USD and why we closed out on the trade. And so we made an entry right here at the beginning of this trade, as you can see. Although there was a resistance here. All right, so you can see the price was still moving on very good since yesterday. So by this morning London session, we didn't really get anything from the London session, and I think the New York opening will be very soon, just a few hours from now. Let's say about an hour. So suddenly, I think there's an institutional news that came out. This trend got broken. So my trailing stop was just there, just about 10 pips or 12 pips above the entry, and we just got stopped out right there. So the trade was for me it was a break even trade, and our entry was just right here. So just kind of giving quick explanation, and our TP was there. So the stops was just there. So we could have eaten stops if we didn't, if the trading stop wasn't there. So that was on Euro USD. So the next one we have here, and as you can see, this was a very good sell position because this place kind of reacted to here. So the buying here was more of, wasn't technical, it was more of fundamental, using the fundamental. So I was thinking the price was just hit here and we need to continue bullish to get at least up here before we come down here. So I think the calculation were wrong. So the next one is GBJPY. So the GBJPY aspect now is been almost a week that I've traded it. So the price is still bullish. We're still climbing up, as you can see here. This was last week, and since we broke out of this range, all right, we've continued bullish. All right, the price just keep making lower highs, higher highs, lower highs, higher highs. So right here, I'm still bullish on GBGPY. I think if it's making any lows right now to be a lower high, and we should be waiting for the big move. But just in case this gets broken, we might get to see GBJPY down here, and we might be planning to buy it from right here. So my projection overall on GBJPY is bullish. All right. So the price may still come down here. All right, we might still get the price to come down right here, and before continue moving long. So that is my projection on GPJPY, the pound yen. And also, if we move forward, we have our gold right here. Gold, I had a trade there midnight, but I closed out from it. Um, yeah, I had a sell from here. I think I had a sell from here, and I think I closed around this area before the price started moving up. I was just about to, say that I'm bullish on gold. So if you check what has been going on, the price is bullish as well. It broke this major structure right here. Since we've been trading it long, so it broke this 1965, and which is a big structure that you can see is the high holding is the higher high, the daily high rather, right? And since it's got broken, I'm very sure the price is going to test 2000, uh, or even go back to the 2033, 2034. So but right now we stuck around this side. The price is just kind of ranging from 1970, I think 1980, 80, 81 to 67. So that's the range we're getting from gold. Okay, so we're getting this range from gold. So if any case we got this trend broken, we might be going long. So um generally, or let me say overall, I'm still bullish on G gold. So let me just put it this way. This is not the projection of selling, all right? Don't get me wrong. This is just me. saying that just in case I look at the chart again and just to get to I will know that I'm going long somewhere. This is not no way where to enter or where to put your stop loss. Please don't make the mistake. Entries and everything will be sent. So and then we have our Nasdaq right here. And I think the signal has already been given. All right, I think the signal has already been given. So what we're expecting, right, as you can see, the same thing is right here. This is me just signifying that I'm selling. All right, so this is the entry. So guys, don't make the mistake. All right, so on Nasdaq here we have our entry, and why I didn't enter right here was I was thinking right that the price might just break here. Because why is that? Because we still have there's still any kind of possibility the price may come to this resistance right here. Because after it got broken here, you know the price just kind of pushed down, and it might try to just break this structure. But just to be even giving us more confidence and more confirmation. So if you go back to the 1 minute time frame, which is where I was projecting my entry to be, so my sell limit is just right here, and the stop is just above the structure right here. So if you go to the 5 minutes, you're able to see where or the 15 minutes, you'll be able to see where we get our order block. Or I kind of messed this up, sorry. All right, so yeah, we have another block right here. So we are expecting the price to get down here and to get up here, and we might continue bearish. All right, so that's my projection on Nasdaq, and this is an indices trade. So guys, be very careful. Don't over risk. And if you are trading a small account, I would say don't even bother trading this. All right, so don't bother trading this if you have a very small account, or you are trading accounts lower than 300 $500. Don't think about it. All right, because the volatility here is kind of high, so we'll see how that goes. And in the case of Joe West 30, I'm also projecting bearish on it. In fact, I think we are already in on it. So I'm also projecting bearish. Um, I'm expecting this is where my TP1 is. So I'm expecting the price to check from the 4 hour time frame, right? So you can see that we've been having this range right here. So and this was the last trade we took right here, and you can see that the price actually went down, but we got I don't know what really happened right here and why this price spiked. And that's one thing about indices, right? Spikes like this just keep, it happens a lot, and I think it's trying to test here before coming down. So that was the last trade on US 30 actually. So and you can see the continuation down. And when we get to this support right here, I was hoping that it will hold, and that's why I didn't trade it for, for since this week as I'm just been watching it. So it broke this structure again and kind of just came back here to retest it, kind of feeling an imbalance right here. So and then we created this range. So the price just keep testing the 24145 around this range. So if I want to, so this will be a zone right here. Right, the price keep testing here and keep ranging within this range. So if you want to get like a entry, earlier entry, it should have been like a sell limit at the tip, right at the very tip, and the stop loss will be a very small stop loss. But just to make very good confirmation, we wait and we have this 15 minute engulfing candle. So I'm expecting the new candle right here, the new 1 hour candle to form bearish. You know, we have this pin bar, so I'm expecting this new candle to bearish. Although I'm in a profit, but in a very, very small profit. So TP1 is just down here, the first um, support here. And then the TP2, you can set small TPs down here and get your very good risk to reward ratio. And always be vigilant about your trade. Once TP1 is 8, move your stop loss to entry. So that's it, guys. I'll be seeing you on the next one. If you have any question about anything or any complaint, just message me and I will get right back to you. Thank you, guys, and see you in the next one.